Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate p-value in Excel. It's very easy. Open an Excel sheet. So let's say it's your data. What you have to do is go to the Data tab and click on Data Analysis. And from here you have to search for t-test pair 2 sample for means. Click on it and click on OK. Now you have to select variable 1 range. Select your variable 1 range and select the variable 2 range, and you have to select output range where you want to have your results. Well, now click on OK. Well, we have to select a single row only. Sorry. Well, for the output range, we have to select one row. Click on OK. As you can see, the results are shown here. Well, here you can see their one tail and two tail results. You can simply go to the Home tab and make it in percentage. It's already in the percentage actually, that's why it's not showing here. So yeah, this is how you can find out the t-test or the p-value from the from an Excel data. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.